Hello students, I am Professor Raza Patel. Today I am taking your lecture on JDBC delete query. So your question is, write a JDBC program to delete student information from college database. Okay, but one condition is there, you have to delete data. Whose data you will delete? That student name is Anam. Okay, so see here, the code is available. First of all, we declare here packages. You have required two packages for the connectivity of JDBC. Import java.sql star semicolon. It is a SQL package. Star you are using for select all, and next package is IO package. Okay, input output. Now see here, public class delete. What is public? Public and class both are keywords, but public is a access modifier. With the help of this, you can give the you can set the permission of class. Okay, that means your variable methods can easily access your class and function also. Okay, what is your class name? Delete. You can give class name. You can give your class name.
Our own name.
Your own name. Okay, but you have to give one meaningful name. You have to give meaningful name here. With the help of this code, you are doing delete operation. That's why you are taking class name as a delete. Okay, after that, see here, class opening is there and class scope is at the end of the program. Okay, now public static void main, it is your main function. What is public? Public is an access modifier. Static is also a keyword, and static block will execute before the main functions. Okay, and void is a keyword. Or what is the reserved value of void? Null. We are declaring here void keyword before the main function because your function will return some value. That value will be 0. That's why we declare here void keyword before the main function. Correct? String is a data type, args is a variable, and it is a array. Okay, after that you will open main function with the help of opening curly braces, and it is a closing of main function. Okay, now you are using try catch block. You know why we are using here try catch block? For throwing exception. So see here, it is a try block and it is a catch block. Okay, now if you want to connect with database, if you want to connect Java program with database, so you have to declare drivers. There are four types of drivers are available: type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Okay, so you have to declare drivers like this. You have to use class dot for name. Okay, it is a method of class, and it is your driver sun dot jdbc dot odbc dot jdbc j capital odbc o capital driver. If you are connecting your Java code with SQL database, with Access database, you can use this driver. If you are using MySQL database, that time your driver will change. com.mysql you can use here. Okay, and you can use, if you are using Oracle database, you have to define same driver sun.gdbc.odbc if you are using Oracle. Okay, and as well as you are using, suppose you are using Access database, suppose you are using SQL database, you have to declare same driver name. Okay, after that connection is interface, and it is a object of connection. Driver manager is a class. Dot driver manager class method is get connection. Okay, with the help of dot operator we are calling get connection method. Okay, in the get connection method there are JDBC, ODBC and DSN. The full form of DSN, data source name. With the help of DSN we will connect Java application to database. Correct, with the help of DSN. Okay, so it is DSN. Say your second step you have to create database, and your third step is you have to create DSN. Okay, now it is a first steps. Prepared statement, there are three types of statements are available: statement, prepared statement and callable statement. Now we are using here prepared statement. It is a object of prepared statement. PST is equal to con is a object of connection interface. Prepared statement is there. Now we are writing here delete query. It is a SQL query. Java R provide you. You can write SQL query in .java file. It is a achievement of Java. Okay, with the help of statement you can write SQL query in .java file. Correct? Understand everyone? You have any doubt, you have any query right now, you can ask with me.
Prepare statement का P capital है.
Yes. Prepared statement P is capital here. Correct? See here, delete from stored where S name. S name is a column name. This column name is available in stored table. See here, database is there. It is a column name, S name, and the table name is stored. Okay, and this table name is stored and column name is S name. Okay, so see here, delete from stored. कहाँ से डिलीट करना है? स्टूडेंट टेबल से. where is a clause. You can, with the help of where you can delete, you can set the condition. ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, एस नेम जो है इट इज ए कॉलम नेम. इस कॉलम में इफ यू विल फाइंड अनम you have to directly delete that name. Correct? Now it is a object of prepared statement and it is a method of execute update. It is a method of prepared statement. If you are deleting some record from the database, if you are inserting some record into the database, if you are updating some data in the database, so you have to declare execute update method. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And system.out.println, what is the use of this line?
For printing
For printing the message.
For print the message on command prompt for the user. Okay, what is system?
System is a class.
System is a class, out is a object, println is a method, and it is a member of system class. Okay. After that you have to do connection close. So with the help of connection object you can close the, with the help of dot operator you can close the connection. Okay, now your program is finished. Okay, अब तुम्हारा प्रोग्राम क्या हो गया है, खत्म हो चुका है, एंड हो चुका है, फिनिश हो चुका है. ठीक है, अब हम लोग को नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना है. डेटाबेस ऑलरेडी आप लोगों ने पहले ही क्रिएट करके रखा हुआ है, करेक्ट है. देखो क्या किया था आप लोगों ने, क्रिएट डेटाबेस क्वेरी लिखी, एसक्यूएल सर्वर 2005 वी आर यूजिंग डेटाबेस. ठीक है, एंड टेबल क्रिएट किया था, क्रिएट टेबल स्टूडेंट, उसमें कितने कॉलम्स लिए थे, हाउ मेनी कॉलम्स यू आर यूजिंग. ठीक है, यू आर क्रिएटिंग 4 कॉलम्स, एस आई डी, डेटा टाइप इज इंटीजर, एस नेम वेरकेर, एस एड्रेस वेरकेर, then it is a size of data, how much character data you can insert. So already you have defined here 25. Okay, gender is available, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, correct na, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, select query, you know, with the help of this query we will display the table. Select star from stud. Okay, so it is your database. Now we will make DSN. So if you want to make DSN, if you want to create DSN, you have to follow these steps. Click on start menu. After that you have to click on control panel. After that you have to click on administrative tools. After that you have to click data source ODBC. Then you have to click add and choose the SQL native client. Then click on finish button. After that you have to write DSN name.
ACC.
Where is your DSN name?
ACC.
See here, this is your DSN name. You have to copy this name. Just paste here. Server name is required, server name is also required. Without server name you do not click on next button or finish button. First you have to copy server name from here. You can easily copy server name, copy, then cancel, minimize this, just click here and paste the server name and click on next step. Next step, change the default database. See here, your database name is college, COLG. Okay, so click here and choose database name, then click on next, then finished. See here, this is your data source name ACC, this is your server name, this is your database name. Okay, COLG, college. Test data source, test completed successfully. Click on OK. OK, then see here your data source name is available in the list. Okay, driver is SQL native client and data source name is ACC. Then click on OK. After that you can easily just open the command prompt. Where is your file is located? Where is your project location? Delete. C. In the G drive, JDBC folder, access folder. This is your path. So you have to go first here. Type on the command prompt G. Use change directory command. CD JDBC CD access. Okay. Now where is your code? This is your code. Okay. Type the command Java.
Java.
First you have to check
Java C is running.
Java is set or not on this command prompt. So your Java is not set on this command prompt because one error is available. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. So you have to first set the Java path.
Java path.
Set
path equal to
path equal to C colon program file
36
Java JDK 6.0 we are using here bin, then enter, then check Java path is set or not. Just type the Java C, source code and options is available here. See here, Java options and source file is available. Your Java is working on this command prompt. Just type CLS, type the command Java C. What is the use of Java C? With the help of Java C, you can compile the
program.
source code, Java source code. Okay, and you can easily find how many errors are available in your Java source code. Okay, so what is your source code name is? Source code file name is delete. Okay, single error is not there. Okay, the program compiled successfully. Then you have to run your program. Just first you have to see here Anam name is Anam ID is 2. ठीक है.
Like star from
D. If data will delete from the database, so you will get message data deleted onto the command prompt. Okay, see here, data deleted. Then after that you have to find in the database record is deleted or not. Okay, Anam is there. Just you have to refresh it with the help of F5 or with the help of this query. Select star from store. Okay, just click on execute. This data will disable or disable from the list, from the table. See here, Anam is disabled. Now your program is completed here. Thank you students
welcome.
for watching this video.